Here she is, look, I'll give her a bit of a rev. She purrs like a pussy cat. What a little baby. She's so smooth, so beautiful. I pulled the cowl off the front. I don't know, I'm trying to decide whether I like the look of it with the cowl on or the cowl off. Anyway, I'm going to give it a wash and see how it comes up with a nice wash. I'll probably, after that, I'll spend a good bit of time detailing it and going over it and trying to touch up some of the rough bits on it. There's paint here which has kind of come off and it's a bit rough. Oh, the automator's spinning around there. And hopefully the chrome here should look a lot better when it's clean. It's very dirty, as you can imagine, with all the rain and whatnot that I've ridden through. I think I'm supposed to show the number plate, am I? Yeah, well, it's not going to be around for much longer. So I can't tell you how happy I am with this beautiful new bike, Xjr1200. Purring like a little pussycat. It's beautiful, smooth. G'day, Donnie. Welcome back to the garage. A little session here today. We're having a look at the old XJR. A little work in progress at the moment. So, you might have seen on a previous video, I bought this bike. I brought it back from New South Wales. I've done nothing but ride it a little bit for a while, and then I did a little bit of a resto project on it. I've stripped down and I've painted the outside of the motor, which looks heaps better, and I've scrubbed up the top of the rocker covers here so they look better. I had it down the shop and I got a couple of valves adjusted because they were inside the clearances that are recommended. So mechanically it's all good, and this is basically a little cosmetic. Here's Daisy. Say hi, Daisy. Hello. Basically a little cosmetic touch up to make the bike look a bit neater. And then I've had all the tins in the paint shop. It's been a while, but I finally got them back today. So here we go, bright shiny black. So I guess the next step is we're going to put all that back on the bike. Maybe add a few decals and stuff like that a bit later, and then I'll reassess. Not 100% sure if I want to change the bars and whatnot. I don't know. I've got to decide whether I want a original look or a bit of a different sort of a rattier look. So anyway, that's what's happening with the XJR. I'll touch back in when I've got all this nice shiny stuff back on there, and we'll have a look and see what it looks like. Bye for now. Here we go. Okay, so a couple of hours later, it's all basically back in one bit. A couple more bits and pieces to do, but it's looking good, yeah? Looking mighty fine. Needs a bit of a clean and needs a few decals and whatnot, but apart from that, it's looking good. Oh, my puppies. Hello, my puppy dogs. Hello, my puppies. Get off me. Get off me. Fucking hell, mate. Get down. Get off me. Alright. Hey, little puppy. Here's a little puppy. He's a cutie, isn't he? Alright, I think the dogs are trying to tell me it's dinner time, so I better get inside and get them fed. Bloody morons. I just thought I'd give you a final look at the bike when it's all been beautifully detailed and all looking nice. Here she is. Here's the girl. Got the yummy decals on her. All nice and clean. Fresh paint. Looking just like when she came out of the showroom. Very nice. Still a beautiful bike to ride. Well, always a beautiful bike to ride. I just kept the stock pipes on and everything like that. Like, it's actually quite a lovely ride, being quiet too. It's I don't know, it's like a magic carpet ride. All my other bikes are noisy, but this one, there's just a nice feel to it. Anyway, there she is, the final chapter of the resto of the Xjr1200. Happy days, Donnie out.